Hey y'all, so this is another day. Like I told y'all, it's gonna be a whole nother day. So first off, look at my head. Ain't this crazy? I got bobby pins holding at my closure. Reason for that being, before y'all come for me, is because today is November. Well, today is November 5th, I want to say. Yeah, November 5th. My birthday is December 20th. Why does that matter? Because I wanted to at least take this out in the middle of November. And then go get like some cornrows or something in my hair. And if I have the cornrows in, if I get cornrows, I'm gonna have the cornrows in for like a month, right? So then if I get it, I get my cornrows done the middle of November. My birthday is December 20th, so it's like towards the end of December. So it'll be ready to come out in the middle of December, which is like maybe a week before my birthday. You get what I'm saying? So I'm trying to make this stretch because I don't feel like dealing with my natural hair, so I really want to just jump from hairstyle to hairstyle. I really don't want to give my hair really more than like a few days of a break. I know that sounds bad, but I had my hair out like dang near the whole summer. So, you know, I don't want to leave it out any longer. But, yeah, I remember, I think yesterday I was talking to y'all about taking the stuff back to Ulta and stuff. So I took the lip glosses back to Sephora. I took the lip liner back to Sephora. I forgot to take the eyeliner back to Sephora, but I don't think I even showed y'all that, so I'm about to show y'all that now. And I had to pull my AirPods out because I think I'm about to do a AirPod unboxing. Probably if y'all see this video definitely is probably gonna be on Vlogmas. I think I'm gonna try to start filming so I can make like short little vlogs for Vlogmas, because I really want to get this channel back popping. But I want to show y'all what I'm talking about. It's a felt liner. Girl, felt liners are the best but the worst thing ever. So it's a white one. And the white one, when I like, because you know you put concealer and stuff on, when I go to do the white one with the felt, it turns like skin color because of like concealer or like makeup or whatever. So what I ended up doing when I was at Ulta, I ended up getting a regular crayon one. So I wanted to talk to y'all about some fragrance. If you guys did not know, I actually have a fragrance page on Instagram. It is called Zahara Gold Mind. Looks like this. Zahara Gold Mind. You can follow it for any fragrance or anything like that. But I wanted to share with y'all on this vlog my current combo that I've been loving. So it's the Kayali Invite Only. And I pair it with Kilian's Apple Brandy. These two together smell so amazing. I found with Kayali by itself, that tobacco can really like stick out in this fragrance, and I don't care for it as much because of that. Because it's like a very weird type of tobacco, and I feel like the benzoin and the amber and stuff is a little strong with the cinnamon and the chocolate. Like this one just has like a lot going on, whereas this one it has like a lot of rum and brandy. You can smell a lot of the liquor and alcohol, and a lot of people don't like that. So I find that both of these fragrances tone each other down and turn them up in a sense as well. This Apple Brandy makes this one smell sweeter, and this one makes Apple Brandy smell less alcohol-y and a little bit more and less sweet, if that makes sense. So it's like it's that perfect sweet but yet sophisticated scent with them together. So that's a good combo if you guys were interested. Oh, and I was going to show y'all too the reason why I'm returning this eyeliner pencil. I mean this eyeliner, because look how it comes out. Well, now it want to come out all thick and stuff, but even then you can still see it's like all chalky, but it's like you can still see my skin through it. I don't like that. So this going back, because I think this was like $8 or $9, maybe even 10. I don't know, girl, but it's going back because it's not giving what it was supposed to have gave. So yeah. So I'm about to do the AirPod unboxing. Why? I really want to wait until I get my other stuff, like I get my phone, but it's like I feel like I'm gonna be waiting for my phone forever, so I might as well just go ahead and open up my little AirPods and call it a day, girl, because they said my phone should be coming the 16th through the 26th, but it's like, bruh, it's only the 5th, so I still got like a whole 11 days for it to possibly get here. Like, ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. And yeah, I just want to do a I might not use the AirPods though. I want to do a unboxing video because I see that they're really popular right now on Instagram, I mean on YouTube. So I want to do one so I could kind of bring up my engagement and stuff, so I could get some new followers, whatever. So by the time I start doing Vlogmas, it won't be like nobody's watching it, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what I'm fitting to do. Here's the AirPods right here. These is the AirPods 3s. They're not the Pros. These are the 3rd generations. I still have the 2nd generation AirPods. I think I had bought these when the 2nd ones just came out. Or these could be the 1st generation. Girl, look how dirty this case is. I never take it out of this case, which is bad. And these is still this is still the same original case I had since 2018. Like, yes, 2018 I had these AirPods. I only had one replaced, and it wasn't because I lost it. I literally took it to Apple because it stopped working or something, and they just swapped it out. So y'all, I done finished recording a little unboxing video, because that's exactly what it was. It was an unboxing, and all I did was I put the case on it or whatever. I was going to try to connect it while doing the video, but it was acting crazy. Like, now I have to update my phone, and it's saying 51 minutes. Like, girl, ain't nobody got time for that. Y'all, I thought I wasn't recording the whole time, but oh my god, this one is nice. So I wanted to get this bag. So I already have a tote bag by Marc Jacobs, but I thought they only had black and cream, but look at this one. It's a red one. Now this I might get because I don't have no red pocketbooks, and I actually think that's a fire. I don't know. It's actually nice. I got my case in the mail yesterday or the day before yesterday from Caseify. Came cute. You pull it apart, then it come all these like little things in here. What is this? I forgot what this was. Oh, this like alcohol wipes and stuff like that. So I'm waiting for one more case from them, and I'm waiting for a tempered screen. I think that's what it's called, a tempered glass screen from my iPhone. And I'm also waiting for the little thing that goes on the back as well for the iPhone. And they didn't send no tracking number. They didn't even send a tracking number for this one, so I don't understand that. Literally my brother just went downstairs and the package was outside, but this is what the case looks like. You guys will probably see the video already, but it's so cute, right? And I'm all into animalistic shit, so I'm like, this is so freaking cute. But yeah, hopefully nobody steals my fucking package. But yeah, Caseify. So I got one more coming. I got this Princess Tiana one, and then like I said, I got the tempered glass, and then I got two for the back of like where the camera at. Cause I heard from people that be breaking. Their camera thing be breaking, and I'm like, how the fuck do you break your camera? But people said it be happening, so I'ma just believe them. Like, if they saying it really be happening like that, I guess it really do. So yeah, I don't want to take no chances, so I went ahead and ordered those. So hopefully, more than likely though, it'll be here before the phone gets here, because that would just be a shame if the other cases and stuff aren't here and the phone's here. Like, come on now. And I wasn't supposed to get my phone till like December or something, because that's what the original time frame was. But then I got like a email last week stating that they moved it up. So let's pray. Hey y'all, so it is, I don't even know what time it is right now. Hey Siri, what time is it? Hey Siri, what time is it? Oh, 10:53. To eat me some pomegranate and film that video I was telling y'all about, the AirPods video. So yeah, and then I'm taking it down for the night. I'm gonna have me some tea again tonight because that's just been my thing lately. Little tea and some sleep. All right, y'all, so it finally like saved and everything. I'm about to start editing it. I just imported it to my computer, but I want to come and show y'all this white tea and sage that I put, like I sprayed this in my room and I mix it with lavender and linen, or linen and lavender, whatever it's called, by Bath and Body Works. Both of these I spray them together. Girl, my room be smelling so good. But I'm about to edit this video real quick. I'm gonna upload it and then I am going to post it. So yeah. But yeah. Look, it say my name on it. My AirPods, so cute. My AirPods say my name. Won't you say my name? Say my name. Alright, y'all, so I'm getting a little tired. What time is it? It's 12:10. I don't even know the last time I talked to y'all, but my phone just got finished updating and now I am uploading the video up onto my YouTube. So